Hi, I'm Angela. You probably know me from the last video. I just love traveling and exploring so much. And I'm here to tell you how trip.com has helped me do it all on a budget and exactly how to use the app to get the best discounts. The first thing you want to do is download trip.com from your App Store or Play Store. Open up the app and you'll see loads of options for travel, including flights, hotels, and so much more. I usually take the train, so I'll click on that. And right away, you can start to input your desired location. I've decided this month to make a trip to Cornwall. I've always wanted to see the sandy beaches and beautiful scenery. And don't forget to add in your railcard if you've got one. And then hit search. If you're like me, you can scroll to the side at the top and filter the results to show the cheapest option. Select the tickets you want and then proceed to checkout. The app can sometimes automatically add in discounts for you, but remember to add in your code UK2024 here and it will take your total down an extra 5%. So my journey from London to Cornwall started at £143.50, but after the discounts it's only £74.38. Heads up to any Euro travel enthusiasts and business globetrotters using this app. You've got your EU Rail Globe Pass, a magical key that unlocks the door to exploring 33 enchanting countries across Europe with just one ticket. And here's a sprinkle of extra magic. Travel Bargain Finder. Open up your trip.com app and then click on the section where it says Travel Bargain Finder. Here you'll find all the best deals, literally random tickets to random places but at crazy cheap prices. The destinations range all over the UK and I guarantee there will be somewhere you're planning on going. With trip.com, there's a trip for everyone out there. So remember to have your tickets ready, stand behind the yellow line, and mind the price gap.